Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So here's a second question for today's Leetcode bi-weekly challenge. Sort vowels in a string. So basically given a zero index string S permute S to get a new string T such that all the consonants remain in their original place more firmly if there is an index I with this such that S of I is a consonant and then T of I is equal to S of I. So to be precise in this question, what we are required to do is, so from the first example, if we see, 1 minute, why it is taking time. Okay. So here in first example, we just need to keep a check that if this particular is a vowel or not. If it is a vowel, then only we are required to sort them. And how we are required to sort them is in increasing order. Basically, this non-decreasing order simply they want to convey that it should be means if there is some duplicates as well, then that also would be considered. That is the scenario. So basically, it is not just strictly increasing, it is opposite of that, that it is just increasing. So that's why they are conveying as non-decreasing. So we need to sort in increasing order, uh, specifically non-decreasing order in the on the basis of SKI value. So if we see that SKI value of capital E is first, and then it comes the capital O, and then it comes E. So that is the scenario here. That's why we are required, and then this E is also there, right? So that's why it have they have told us that we are required to do the sorting in non-decreasing order so that it is increasing as well. And if there is some duplicates as well, so they are also considered in same line. So that's the thing. So we don't need to touch any of the consonant which are there. We just need to sort all the vowels which are there. So that is the only thing which we are required to do in this question. So let us go ahead with this. But before that, let us check that what is the constraint which is there for this question. It is not working. Okay. So the constraint is that it is up to 10 raised to 5. So as per this, we can only go ahead with n or nlogn solution. So uh, let us go that how we will be doing this question. So in this question, how I have done is I have just checked that if there is some vowel, then at that particular point, I'll just simply take that vowel and with the help of auxiliary space, I'll just put that vowel in that auxiliary space. And after that I have all the vowels in my that auxiliary space. I just need to sort those vowels. And after sorting those vowels, then I'll again traverse this particular string. And wherever vowel was there, then I need to just, because now my vowels would be already sorted in that auxiliary space. So I just need to take that vowel from that auxiliary space and then just put that vowel to the first occurrence of the vowel, or then means whatever occurrences of vowel would be there. At that point only, I need to put those vowels. So that is the thing I would be doing there. So this is the solution which we will be now coding. Oh, it is not working. Okay. So now here I have checked that if it is a vowel, then it will be returning true. So even if it is in uppercase, then also I've just put it as lower and then checked that if it is out of either out of them, then it will be simply returning true. So that is how I have written this particular. Now next thing is, this was just a helper function for checking if it is a vowel or not. Now once the part of this mean, this is the auxiliary space which I'm using. Basically, I'm using vector of char. In that, what I'm doing, I'm pushing all the vowels which are there, and then after that, I'm sorting them, and then I'm again traversing my original string. And if that particular is a vowel, then at that particular, I will be just replacing with whatever vowel is there at the first in my that auxiliary space, and then increasing the pointer so that I can